The DJI Avata 2 Combo FPV offers an exhilarating flying experience, allowing users to feel as if they are piloting the drone themselves through immersive goggles. With intuitive motion control, flying the DJI Avata 2 becomes second nature, making it accessible even to beginners by simply using natural hand movements. The drone excels at performing impressive aerial maneuvers such as flips and rolls, enabling users to create stunning aerial footage without requiring extensive training. Capturing breathtaking visuals is made easy with the drone's super-wide 4K capability, supported by a 1.3-inch image sensor for crisp and vivid imagery. Safety is a priority with the built-in propeller guard, ensuring durability and allowing for worry-free flying in diverse environments. Lightweight and portable, the DJI Avata 2 is perfect for capturing high-quality point-of-view content, with the LightCut app simplifying the content creation process.